So like before starting with my skill sets, I would like to tell like my background. So I was professional badminton player, and because of some certain injuries and some hustle with all those organizations and all, I quit the game. So when I started this UPSC journey, I was very anxious, like how will I sit for, people were saying you have to sit for 10 to 8 hours and then you have to study whole day and write notes, this, that, everything. But like you sort of cut down all the things and like to focus on what's important, and how uh, like you made this journey a lot more easier for us. So thanks for that. And then I will start with all the skill sets I have learned. Like first of all, like working in collaboration was very much important for me, because coming from a background where you literally sit down and strategize how to pull like someone's game, or how to make them feel low while playing. So and then shifting that mindset to how to collaborate with everyone and help each other and appreciate others work, so that was very much important for me. And then second thing was like how we have to choose such small things which are easy to do but have a very much larger impact on things. So yeah, that was also very important for me. And yeah, and like my favorite lectures were, I don't know why, but all the medieval history was very much like interesting for me, and I attended all those classes. And yeah, that's it.